Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 1st of January 2023 and wishing you a happiest new year to each and every one of you watching this video. So we are here again to discuss on the currency market of USDINR and EURINR throughout the week, whatever has happened, and we will be focusing on the January contract. So whatever has happened throughout the week, this video commentary is going to be purely based on my point of view, and all the content is only for the educational purpose. All right, so let us start before moving ahead on the market, and let me just load in with the USDINR. So first let us start with the USDINR and we'll focus on an hourly time frame and we'll see how the market has performed over the period of time. All right, okay, so there we go. So it started from 26, which is over here, and then right now what I'm gonna do is gonna draw some lines and then see. Okay, just gonna take out the border. This is the candle 23 and this is the start. Okay, let me make it slightly bigger, turn that into green. Okay, cool. So this is the starting point. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the market has started in the USDINR. So the market of the USDINR January future opened on 26th of December 2022 at 9 a.m. in the morning. The market opened approximately this point, which was at 82.9900. Then the market went slightly higher as well, up till 83.0150. From there the market went up till 82.93. From there the market has slightly gone up, touched this support number over here, support number 1. After touching the support, the market went down till the bottom of 82.7900, or you can even say that as 82.800. From there the market has started to move extraordinarily higher on the other side, and it has took approximately from so the low created over the weekly low is at 82.800, and it was on 26. In the less than 2 days it went up till 83.0700. It has touched the high, broken the high, and then from here the market has come down but could not. On 30th December, the market of USD/INR January future could not break the bottom or close below the low of the week, and then stayed over the period of around the closer one, and then the market has slightly again went up, and then again it tried, but it slightly failed to go above. It said at 82.855 was the closing on the 30th of December, and we can see how the market has closed over here. It has been coming into the pattern right now. If I draw a trend line for you, I'll just take this line out and then I'll draw a trend line, and we'll see what would be the possible prediction for the upcoming week. So the top is around here, the bottom would be around this side. Okay, so whichever side it breaks out on the first side, okay, will be that side going long and short. Okay, so right now it is very close near the bottom line. Either way, what's gonna happen is it's gonna take strong support. The market's gonna open tomorrow over here, and then the market's gonna start to open around this above, and then it is gonna start to rally up until 83.300. That's what I am expecting over a week. If the gap up happens and then the candle closes of 1 hour below this line, the the USDINR January future can go up until 82.300. We can expect 82.30 cents there is a possibility. So what I'll do is I'll repeat again the weekly. 1 second, yeah. So the open was at 82.9900, the low was at 82.800, the high was at 83.0800, and then the closing was at 82.855. On the higher side, the first target and the main target would be at 83.300, and on the lower side the target would be more because it's slightly closer to the lower candle, and the more candle, so the lower would be 82.3500 would be the target if the market starts to fall. All right, so now let us move to the euro INR, and then let's see how the euro INR has performed throughout the week from the 3-minute time frame. Let us switch to the 1 hour time frame and then come on the 26th of December and see how the market has performed over here as well. So coming to this point, all right, so the market has I have drawn this into a red line today, okay, right now. So let me close this as well for F now. So the euro INR had opened at this point at the market, which was at 88.1800, and the low created or touched here was at 88.100, and then the high here is at 88.64. No, let's take it as 6500 as a round off, and then the closing has been at 88.6250 has been the closing of the market. All right, so now let us see how the US euro INR January future has performed throughout the week. So the market stayed literally sideways for approximately 26, and then 26. Until then it was a very sideways market, fluctuating between minor small points. After that, after finishing this line, the market started to move on the very higher side. When it started to move on the higher side, the support number one, which was also turned to be the resistance number one, support number one was broken around here on 26. It slightly went and tried to touch the support number two, but which is the target number two, but it did not, it failed. The next day the market opened on the higher side, and from the support number, the resistance number one, it went up till resistance number two, and it even touched the higher high, and it was very close to the support number three. Sorry, it was very close to the resistance number three, which was at approximately 82.76, but it failed. And the next day the market opened gap down and then stayed in a very narrow sideway range, and then the market went down. And the next day again on 29, the market opened gap down. From there we saw a quick recovery happening, went up till the halfway as well. After that, the next day the market went open gap up, slightly came down. From there, after approximately 1 p.m, the euro INR started to push up, so much so that it closed very close to its weekly high, and the closing has given at 88.6250. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I have drawn the line. We are on a 1-minute time frame, and I'm going to tell you what can be our possible predictions, like possible target for the longer and shorter side. So the top line and then the bottom line, I'm drawing that in the white one. Okay, so it is very close to the resistance number. Okay, so it is very close to the resistance, and the upcoming target, what I would expect, is 89.2800 in the upcoming week. So let us see if that is possible, that target is reachable or not. For that, you can use the stop loss of this pivot level, which is about right over there. The stop loss would be 88.2400, and on the bottom side we can expect approximately this point, which is at 87.4400. We can expect that as our target for the upcoming week, and then let us see how the market can be moving and fluctuating throughout this. All right, so the stop loss for this also, we can keep it approximately is down, so that means it's going to go up. Our entry will be here. The stop loss can be kept approximately at this pivot, this exactly line, which is 88.6300 or 600. We can keep it at the stop loss. All right, so let us see how the upcoming market is going to be going. Also, I would heartily like to apologize for not making last week's weekly analysis. I couldn't make it, then I just thought I'll upload it in the weekly weekdays, but again it would hamper our channel with as we post the post market reports, and I did not want it to mix up the content. So yeah, I would like to apologize for missing that out, but I'll make sure definitely to never miss out, and yeah, I'll be consistent. All right, so thank you so much, and I wish you and your family a happiest new year. See you next week with the USDINR and EURINR weekly currency post market reports, and then let's see if we are going to reach our targets or not. All right, thank you, and wishing everyone the best for the year. Take care.